Did you know Ayo Edebiri almost joined the MCU? Before we dive in, please subscribe and hit the like button. She was initially cast as Mel in Thunderbolts, a comedy icon's assistant, but scheduling conflicts arose. The Bear season 4 needed her, forcing a tough choice. Geraldine Viswanathan eventually took the role. She felt apprehensive, like many do, joining a giant like Disney. Scripts are secret. Viswanathan reached out to Edebiri. Should I do this? She asked. Edebiri's enthusiastic reply, definitely. You'll meet Julia Louis-Dreyfus. And the character goes bad.
Mm-hmm.
And Edebiri had to step back due to the WGA SAG-AFTRA strike in 2023. By then, she had already decided to leave. Despite this, Edebiri's advice helped Viswanathan make up her mind. Viswanathan was already tempted to join the Marvel Universe. Anyway, director Jake Schreier described the role in an intriguing way. Speaking of Marvel, why did the superhero bring a ladder to the movie? He wanted to get to the next level. It's out in theaters and coming to Disney Plus. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.